What's going on, y'all? I'm Jay.
I'm Charlotte.
Welcome to Alger Ranch, where we're building our dream of a first-generation cattle ranch. Hello. We've been here for a little over a year, and we've had cows for about 10 months.
Yep.
I'll just go ahead and show you them.
And that's why you're here.
Well, maybe. I mean, this could be their first time. They might not know.
We have cows.
So we got cows, chickens, donkeys, 3 pit bulls, which they're over here.
Yep.
That's Zeus, Titan, and Apollo. Apollo's always got his red ball.
Right on cue.
Right on cue. We decided to buy 80 acres of wooded land, clear it, and convert it into what is going to eventually be a fully operational cattle ranch. That's what you'll be getting here if this is your first time stopping by, which we appreciate you if you are. We're learning a lot, figuring things out.
And we're right smack down in the middle of it. Are we going to go down in there?
Yeah, well, we'll have to put the boys up. You know them, they'll get all
They'll
get all whiny butt up here. Tai, you got to go too. I know, Tai.
Come on, Tai. Tai, come on.
Go.
Come on, boys.
Go.
Come on, Tai.
He's not happy about that.
No, he's not.
I told you guys in one of our other videos, I got a little injury, which if you want to go back and hear about it, you can, but I'm just going to give you an update. It's feeling a little better, but not, when I say a little better, like 5% better. I can move my arm a little more now, but it's still just like kind of a nagging pain over here. So if you're new and you see Charlotte doing a lot of stuff,
It's not normally like that.
she normally does do a lot of stuff, but I'm asking her to do a lot more just because
He's injured, doesn't want to make it worse.
well, I don't mind doing the stuff, but then she yells at me.
Yeah, I do yell at you.
So,
Because then it's just going to last longer. I don't want that.
yeah, I agree. So I did have somebody say we need to do some more introductions on the cows, especially for the newer individuals. So,
Okay.
Addie, she's got the horns. So Addie
girl.
Horns, she's the only female with horns that we have currently. So we call her Addie or Addie Girl.
Yep.
All right, this is Luna's mom, which we'll get to Luna. You'll see her. Luna steals the show all the time.
Yes, she does. She'll come up, I'm sure.
This is Elsie. I like Elsie, but sometimes she doesn't like me. She tried to kick me once or twice, actually.
Good girl.
Elsie, and this is Jenny. Jenny is Elsie's calf. That one right there. This is her calf. She's a pretty good calf.
Yeah, she lets us pet her now.
She lets us rub up on her and stuff.
She was the first one on the ranch.
Yep, that's why her name's Jenny. It's
Yep.
actually short for Genesis. You can call us goofy for naming our cows names that have meanings, but it's what we like to do. So this
Some of
is
them do.
Gustafer. New boots right in a cow patty.
Nice.
Oh yeah, I got new boots. Look at those
Yeah,
things.
they're nice. Finally.
They finally showed up. Anyway, back to the cows. This is Gustafer. I don't know if Gus will let me touch him. Hi, buddy. Nope. Then we got Sadie. And then we got Donnie. Hi, buddy. You're okay. Hi, Donnie boy. This is Luna, or Luna Dog.
Luna dog.
She will eventually be a milk cow for us. Dude, you don't have to eat my shirt, okay? You don't have to eat my shirt. This is Mango. Hi, buddy. Mango's really come around.
Yeah, he has.
He's gotten a lot braver. Hi, buddy. Here's a hay bale string, actually.
Uh-oh.
You can pull that. What are you doing? Hey, you cannot. Hey. Hey. You cannot eat that. Crazy girl. What's up, dude? What's up, dude? What are you doing?
Aw.
Oh, you want some of that action, Gus?
No.
We don't need to get close to him anyway.
No.
All right, let's keep it moving. So we had to redig this out to run a water line
Yeah.
to that. If you're unfamiliar with, that's why this is all torn up. But the cows have been really working it down. Like, it's looking pretty flat up there, which is exciting.
Yes, it is.
They'll keep working it. They'll keep working this down too. So, hi Rosie girl. This is Rosie. We'll go a little quicker through the names so I don't get distracted. Let's do all the introductions. We got Charlie Bear, which Charlie Bear is, let me check on her and see how everything's going. Man, she had some discharge.
Mm-hmm.
She had some discharge a couple days ago. I'm not seeing much happening back there. When you gonna have you got a baby coming soon or something? Or are you just messing around? Hi, Luna. Goodness, just come right in.
This is why she's called Luna Dog.
Right back to us.
Yep.
Then we got Honey Buns. Honey Buns is Charlie Bear's daughter. Look at this well operating water.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Man, that thing is a blessing.
Yes.
All right. Then we got Izzy May, which
Looking
is
all cute right there.
Nene's daughter. We'll show you Nene in a minute.
Honey, what
We got number 3 up here, which some of you guys might know what's going on with number 3, potentially. If you know, let us know down in the comments. What do you think is going to go on with number 3? Then we got number 4.
Hey, dude.
They're little, it's muddy, so they're like, whoa, whoa, whoa,
Yeah.
hey. Their little fat heads crack me up.
I know. They're chunky. They
Yeah.
just look, it's so funny because like the Dexters when they were little, they looked like calves, but they just look like miniature bulls.
Yeah, so these are Aberdeen Dexter crosses.
Yeah.
So they just look a little more already like bulls.
Yeah.
All right, so moving on down here to keep this train moving. We got,
Come on, Luna. We're moving
he just got a
along.
bath. Look at his hair.
Oh my God.
So we got Big Betsy right here. And then Abigail with her baby, which is number 5. Mango, what do we talk about your interruptions? I don't want to hear it. You guys gonna start playing or what? Mango. I don't want to hear it. All the bulls are gonna start wrestling.
Oh, there goes Izzy May.
Oh, oh, oh. Then we got Hope right here. Hope was the first cow I ever got kicked by. It was truly my mistake, not really hers, but we got Hope
Yeah,
in,
so he forgave her.
and then Jeffrey is the done Highland Dexter bull right there. Then we got Spooky. And then we got Lizzie and Nene right here. Which Lizzie and Nene are like twins. They're hard to tell apart. The only way you can tell is one of them got a white patch. This is Nene. Has a white patch on her udder. And then we got Big Titus down there. He's just eating up. Oh, Mango's getting some mud. Get the mud, Mango.
Yeah, we're
Tell him what's up.
Oh.
Oh, is that branch really just making you mad? Are you serious?
What is he doing that for? Luna.
Oh,
that
just
cedar
you
tree.
get it, Mango.
Oh, Oh, right to the eyeball. My goodness, dude.
Yeah, be careful, bro. Everybody's in wrestle mode.
Yeah. Look at Jenny right there. They're just so peaceful to come out here and watch.
Yeah,
I mean, even when Mango's throwing a fit.
it's just funny.
Yeah. That's Echo. Hope, what's his deal? She's like, I don't know, I tried.
Well, go get him. He loves wrestling with Titus. They're basically doing that.
Yeah.
They're just a lot
three.
bigger.
Yeah.
We're gonna get them tagged, but one of you guys have mentioned getting the paint. That's good for cattle and just painting on there. So that way we can give them numbers and they're matched up. I think that'd be super helpful.
Yeah, I do too.
You know, I might give them another hay bale.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I might.
Okay.
Luna, can I not do nothing without you today, huh?
No.
Nothing, huh? It's
No.
all gotta be with you.
Yep. You were right. She stole the show.
Always. All right, well, let's go back up there and get one ready.
Okay. All right, Luna, we'll be right back.
We'll be right back. We're gonna get you guys some. Man, they just don't really need it. The only one eating's Titus.
Yeah, I know. And they're not asking for nothing. Besides Luna, asking for rubbing. Oh, here comes Titus to help Mango work this out. That's Titus and Mango on the right, and Jeffrey and Gus on the left. Everybody else is staying out of their way. Aren't you, Jenny girl? Hi, girl. Well, hello, Izzy May. You feel like being brave?
Ha! Luna came to me. Luna
Did you see Izzy May?
Yeah.
Come
Did
here,
you see
girl.
Luna leave you to come to me?
Yeah.
Hi, Luna girl.
Hi, 3. Oh, Jenny's going crazy.
What's up, dude?
Hey, 3. What are you doing? Oh, something spooked him. You
touched
touch him?
I touched his butt.
Oh. These two.
Oh,
Them
ain't nothing
crazy
gonna
ones.
happen to you, you little sissy boy.
Really just checking on them all today.
Yeah.
Hello, girls.
You're gonna get a tongue right across the face.
I know.
You better be careful. Luna's gonna start rubbing on you. It's gonna knock you over.
Tumble down this whole thing of manure.
I'm for sure laughing.
Oh, Jenny's like, whoa, why'd you get so loud all of a sudden?
Yeah.
Sorry, girl.
Yelling in my ear. She's like, scratch me. Hattie, you got mud all over your hooves, girl.
She does. She's like, you said you wanted us to work this down. We're
You're doing
working
a
on
great
it.
job, but geez, girl. Clean those hooves out a little bit.
Oh my gosh. Girl, what are you doing? You girls are so cute. Number 3. I'm gonna stand up, girls. So watch out.
Oh,
Goodness.
goodness.
Jenny's like, I was getting pets.
Okay.
Yeah, I am very impressed with this spot right here.
Yeah,
That's cool to see.
that's why I like kind of contemplating just putting another bale down. Doesn't hurt us in any shape.
No. Yeah, more
I don't mind
hay.
giving them a little extra. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. So.
Okay, you talked yourself into it.
Yep.
Look at these 3. Oh my gosh. They're literally in a line.
All right, let's get up here. I could probably drop it and unroll it and see if I can aim it right here. The problem is, I probably need to start it over here because if it rolls like that, because if I do it up here, it's gonna kick this and it'll probably run right into that post.
The snow on that side is finally melted now. A couple days this week we had in the 50s, which was nice. So it's all gone now. That side doesn't see the sun very much, which is why it was taking longer. But here we go.
Turn it.
So this is what he did last time and got it ready to just roll straight down. So that's the goal. That's why I did it this way, in case you were wondering why I picked it up sideways. It worked perfectly last time, so.
Yeah, we'll see how it works this time. Of course, they're all up here now in the way.
I know. Hey everybody, we're gonna need to come over here. So, can you get out the way? Luna, get out the way, girl. This hay bale's coming whether you get out the way or not. Oh! There she goes. Oh. What are you doing, Rosie girl?
Well, you ready to try to roll that thing?
Yep.
Almost had it.
It looked like it was going to be perfect.
I know.
Barn cat minus barn. Ciao, Jenny.
There you go. Watch behind you. Those cows will come running.
Oh, yeah. Whoopsies.
That's a good one.
That was perfect. Daisy Mae's like, dang it, I can't keep up with them.
They're so fast.
What's his deal? Oh, you're making me nervous, dude.
Yeah, I'm just sweeping.
Oh, goodness, did you see his head?
How he was laying back?
Yeah.
He's like, I'm just relaxed.
Trying to see what's happening around me. Oh, yeah, that was perfect.
Yeah, that's a good one. We can even unroll this one a little further.
Okay.
That was a good roll.
Yeah, it was. You girls like being first, don't ya?
Luna girl.
Luna girl.
She's like, yeah, I do. This was awesome. We get this turned and roll it up over there.
She's never far behind. He's like, thanks for getting this extra stuff off for me. They look weird. Oh, nice.
If I get enough built up in there, they'll go in there. Well, if I just pile it up in there, they'll knock those down. I'd really like to cover this patch right here that we're pushing back to. Because if I pile this, they'll fight in there and knock all that stuff down. So, see how they're already getting in there?
Yep.
If I pile this up enough of them will come through there and knock that stuff down. I'm not too worried about
Good job, Jenny.
Good job leading the way, Jenny. Never know what you find here.
That's the spot we were trying to cover.
Yep.
Right where they are. It has been so cool to see the progress the land has made, like majority of the healing just on its own.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, it's got a long way to go, but
It's already come a long way.
it has since we did all that. We wish that we would have started YouTube when we first came to the property so that you guys could have seen what it looked like before. Because it was way different than this. And we're really excited to see the
Spring?
spring, yeah.
Yeah.
And grass coming in.
There's a lot of people in the comments that were saying they're excited to see the spring.
Really?
Yeah.
Nice.
It's cool.
Yeah. It's cool that you guys are invested in the journey.
With us.
Yes.
Man, I don't know if you guys remember from last kind of summer and fall what those hills look like.
Mm-hmm.
But they look pretty good right now.
I know, they do.
I mean, I know they look like dirt, but considering what they were, they look pretty good.
Yeah, the shape of them and stuff.
Yeah. Cows are going to keep working everything.
Yep. They've already done a good job.
I love it.
Me too. And they did too.
Oh yeah, they're happy.
Don't you, Charlie Bear? Yeah.
Charlie Bear's like, this stuff is great.
Yeah.
She's like, I know I'm moody sometimes and I complain, but life's pretty good.
Yeah.
We just need to spend an hour out here. Oh, throwing sticks, and this place will look. It is unbelievable, guys, how much it changes when you just spend some time out here throwing sticks.
Yeah. We'll do that.
We did
every
it
once
over
in a while.
there, and it was like, it went from like, man, this still looks pretty rough, to being like, wow, this looks good.
Yeah, it did.
It's crazy
It
how
is
much
really
a
satisfying.
little bit of effort can change for you.
Yep.
Just
And
cleaning
once
up.
you start, it's hard to stop.
Yeah.
I don't know what this is.
Somebody's laying down up there in the roll. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Is that Izzy?
No, it's like right there. Probably Abigail's. He's been so sleepy.
Yeah.
He must have just got some milk before we came down here. He looks milk drunk.
Milk drunk.
Everybody else looks pretty darn good.
Pretty darn good. I should have asked you this earlier. What do y'all think we should do for like a weaning pen? Or how should we wean? Because we got those 3 bull calves. And then Jenny and Luna, they're not 100% weaned. But since we are going to wean, we could wean all of them together. Or even if we just wanted to do number 3 and Jenny and Luna.
Yeah.
What do you think is a good setup to wean them? You think I'd be able to use an electric setup?
Like a temporary wire?
Yeah. I don't know if I'd be able to do that. I mean, I could bring them right up here in the front, in that front pasture, and just section that off so that way they're still with everybody. It just doesn't give them a whole lot of room. So we need to do that.
Yep.
I got to get that figured out.
Yeah, so if you have any suggestions, we'll take them.
We'll take them. That's what I'm working on in my brain. So funny. Two groups of eating.
I know, up there.
That group and this group.
And then this one just right in the middle, sleeping.
He's like, yeah, Mom, go eat so you can make me some milk.
Yeah.
All right, well, they got plenty of hay.
Oh, yeah.
Because they got the hay that was left over. And they just got that new one. So, capital spoiled. I'd rather them be spoiled than not. We are blessed and fortunate to be able to do so. But this is the area I was talking about.
Yeah.
Putting them up in here.
All the bulls. Couple big mamas. They're like, I ain't going all the way down there.
All right, this is good stuff right here.
Yeah. You can see everybody right here. They're all in just a big line.
Yeah. The feed line.
Yep.
Well, the cows are happy.
Yes, they are. Cows are happy, I'm happy.
And if all of those are happy, I'm happy. It's pretty much how it works.
Yep.
But we got to get ready. Start getting ready. We got a company banquet tonight, so we're going to get all fancy.
Get all fancied up.
Get all fancied up, whatnot. Hold on. Shoot, dang. What's this? It's a piece of metal. All right. I mean, man.
It's never ending.
If I had a nickel for every time I looked down and found something, I'd be
rich.
We'd have hay forever, girls.
Yeah.
As always, we appreciate you guys joining and being along this journey with us. It's been a blast. We learned a lot. We have fun. We laugh. Make a lot of mistakes. Sometimes I get frustrated. Try not to. But otherwise, we appreciate you. We love you. And we'll see you next time.
Bye.